Welcome back, family, to the channel. Happy New Year 2024. Let's go. What? What? Come here, Zoe. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Zoe. Ah! Sorry for the distraction. All right. BRZ. Installing a 2-channel dash camera. Blackview. 970, DR 970, 2-channel. 4K recording. Here we go, let's begin. So obviously, as you can see, I pulled the hardware out of the box. Customer's happy with placement, so we'll just give you a little bit of a better angle here. We go to the dash. So literally just gonna sit right here under the mirror. And cables are gonna go down the driver's A-pillar. Let's get started. In the comments, guys, what car would you like to see us work on this year? Or what project car should we build this year for the channel?
David! David! Zoe, do you want some David? Do you want some agua? You want some agua? Okay, Zoe. Hold Zaddy. Can you